Hi, I'm Livia, and I would like to present my project, which is MichelinMind, an AI-powered Michelin star restaurant discovery that I built mainly using Google Looker Studio with MongoDB database and a CI/CD automation. So this is the data dashboard that I built for Michelin Star Explorer, and the main idea is because I'm a foodie, and then during my birthday, I had a difficulty trying to find the restaurant I want. So basically, I just want a dashboard where foodie can have a smarter discovery tool, not just a list. And this is also important for restaurateurs when they want to have a better competitor insights, they want to do analysis. The problem is the existing tools are fragmented and outdated. This is not supposed to replace Michelin Guide. I give Michelin Guide so much respect. I love it. That's how I'm able to discover great food. I just want to use this as an extra tools to accompany Michelin Guide, because in the end of the day, the database is coming from them. And then another pain point is it's hard to search Michelin spots by keying regions and country. So currently, this is the dashboard now. In Michelin star restaurant, there is a Michelin star, Bib Gourmand, which is an excellent award with a distinguished dash for restaurants that is more affordable. So if you just want to search Michelin star only, you can click this, and then it's automatically only filtering on Michelin stars only, and then you can type based on the country, for example USA only, and it will show there's only 260 restaurants Michelin star in USA to listed. I'm currently living in San Francisco, so I can take a look. San Francisco only, it's actually there's 28 Michelin stars restaurant, and I can take a look on the cuisine. For example, I'd like to know maybe like a contemporary restaurant, and there's like 3 of them. Another thing that I like from this tool is a find restaurants tool, so I can do the same again with also the same filter that I had before. I was choosing contemporary, and then there's kiln, sons and daughter, and osito, which is basically the same thing that you saw here, right? You have like kiln. Now, I can also select based on Google ratings. I was also accessing their Google Maps API, so this is not just MongoDB. I also use Google Places API to be able to get this data. That way, let's actually reset filter. Let's say I only care about restaurant above 3.8, and you will see how the restaurant's number probably drop. You can also filter based on the price of like a Michelin star restaurant. What is the one that's like more affordable? And I'm going to click Michelin stars only, and then again, this will give me like the restaurant idea. And not only that, I also have the code where I have the SDK, so people can literally access, the restaurants. So search from here, and they can develop it for them. For example, I search for sushi, and I'll be able to find the result for this. Yeah. Now, for the MichelinMind tech stack, I was actually using the data from like another repository and code base that I found Kaggle that is basically scraping automatically. I'm also using Google Place API, dump it into MongoDB, and then Google Cloud Storage for a fallback. Use Apache Spark and Google BigQuery as well to handle like such a large amount of data just in case. But actually, Michelin Star, it's not updated that often, knowing that the restaurant has to have a good quality. I also orchestrate everything like the data ingestion and ETL process using Apache Airflow, hosted in Google Composer. As for my visualization, I'm using Google Looker Studio, formerly Google Data Studio, and then for my API to serve to the client. For people who'd like to access this SDK, I build it with Docker and then serve it in Google Cloud Run. If you'd like to have access to this, it's easy to access. It's literally just liviaisland.com/Michelin. Cheers.